Hey everybody, it's Patrick from Mercedes-Benz Burlington. Today we are in Toronto at the Auto Show. Very excited to be here, and Mercedes is definitely back in full force. Behind me I have the collaboration with Hot Wheels and Mercedes-Benz, and it is featuring the all-new CLA model. Very excited to look around the show. There is so much to see this year at the Toronto Auto Show. There's one thing Mercedes-Benz knows to do, it's branding. We got in person, on the bag, keychains. I'm in heaven. This is my kind of cars and coffee. Mercedes is everywhere in here. We've got our beautiful booth that we're going to walk through, but we also have some vintage pieces as well, and some Hot Wheels pieces as well. No matter what brand you're into, they've got cars for the whole family here, as low as $1, $197 for a toy car. I'm gonna fill this basket. I gotta get in line for the premium collectibles at the Hot Wheels pop-up here. They've got t-shirts, large cars, small cars, full sets. I'm gonna be here for a while. We have arrived at the Mercedes-Benz booth. Let's take a look around. There's lots of exciting models here. Behind me is the SL Maybach. Super excited to see that in person. We're going to dive into that as well. I was able to drive that in Alabama, so the novelty wore off for that. What the showstopper for me is two vehicles that are all new. The new GLC, which is just over there, we're going to jump into, right next to the current model GLC. So it's a nice contrast to see what's coming for 2027 versus what we have right now for 2026. Come back here, beautiful red. I like the theme this year, kind of cool. We have the E53 wagon that I had out on the track as well. Beautiful model. That comes in a sedan and a wagon. I'm excited that they brought the wagon out because you see it a little bit less often. Here's one of the showstoppers. Brand new CLA. Very excited to see that finally. That's going to come in an electric and a hybrid version. So excited to see that in person. Lots of exciting stuff on that we're going to do a full review on as well. We've got one of our most popular SUVs, the GLE. 450, 350, both look the same from the outside with a different engine variant. And then to keep the theme of red going, we have the beautiful G-Wagon. You can't have a Mercedes-Benz display without a G-Wagon in it. Come on. Like, the structure of it, a lot of people don't get a chance to open these up every now and then, but we keep it full military around here. I gotta say thanks to Mercedes for giving me the VIP treatment. I'm on the red carpet inside the red rope with the Mercedes-Benz Maybach SL680 Roadster. Beautiful in person. I love this car. It's great. Following through on this side, you have the popular sedan, the C300. Can't go wrong with that. I love the spec that they did on this though, because you have the multi-spoke with the red interior, which is a little bit more rare to see. You also have the GT two-door on this side. Beautiful car. This comes in a few different variants. This year they brought out the 55, so it's exciting to see that. And there'll be a GT Pro coming as well. And then one of my favorites, the CLE 53 AMG Coupe. Beautiful in the blue. Switching gears from the AMG, we don't discriminate. We have our Sprinter vans here as well. On this side you have the E-Sprinter, which is our full electric model, and then this is a crazy fully decked out Sprinter on a lift kit. We've got black Rhino wheels on it. It looks like there's a full tent. I'm gonna hop inside and check this out. Wow, this is crazy. Full tent up here. This does not come standard from factory. You gotta add it in after, but I love it. This is neat. And guys, if you need a secret spot to sit, right here. We got our own camping station here. No fire, but instead of using this as a fireplace, you can use it as a footrest. Come relax in the Mercedes-Benz booth. Another fantastic year here at the Canadian International AutoShow. This is definitely the most Mercedes presence I've seen. You have different vintage cars. You've got the Hot Wheels setup. You've got their whole booth with new exciting models that are coming for the years to come. Very, very excited to be here again. I love to come every year. If you're watching this and the show is still on, I encourage you to go and see for yourself. Many different beautiful brands and fun interactive things to see. And if you aren't, then stay in touch with us all year for all exciting Mercedes-Benz models coming out, and maybe we'll see you at next year's auto show. But until then, we'll see you right here on YouTube.